Well, AES is a bio because over 10 years ago, we realized that AES is known in the industry not as a product, but as a facility delivery vehicle. And to really get a product to market faster as a full solution, not as a traditional construction element. And really the focus here at Bio is unlike on pharmaceutical shows that are equipment based. These are CEOs and CFOs who either have money coming or just got money for a novel therapy that they want to get to market very quickly. Once they have the money, it's how fast can you build and can you minimize risk for me from a compliance standpoint. And that's where the interest has grown here at Bio with AES, is delivery of a full solution as opposed to a product. So specifically in this industry, in the bio market, the change from the chemical-based pharma product into bio product is mostly single-use bio platforms and cell and gene therapy. Cell and gene therapy expansion, the novel therapies for patients, we've really helped accelerate the delivery of those solutions to the marketplace. So for instance, autologous is the single treatment therapy for a patient, and that requires scale out. A lot of space in individual process spaces. Well, we have technologies and standard platforms for those solutions, and we design them in a way for have efficient HVAC for segregation by each patient, very quick decon and turnovers of spaces, so they can rapidly get through those individual deployment for each patient. That being said, when you look at the cost model of that, it's very expensive to have a therapy for an individual patient and those individual cells. So the move is hopefully to go more from autologous to allogeneic in treating groups of patients, similar to what you see in the photo here, where we could create batch sizes instead of individual process areas. And AES in our technology of not just the rooms, but our mechanical systems, we can help a client start today immediately on the autologous treatment and have these facilities designed that we can rapidly in the next year, 2 years, and 3 years, as their technology platform changes, that we're able to change over to the allogeneic format and really let them expand that delivery to more patient population in the world. So the goal for everyone is to help treat more patients very rapidly and deliver a system. We're not about a wall. We're not about just delivering the clean room. It's about a process that's going to deliver it in a compliant way very rapidly. So the main interest of someone that comes to Bio, right? They have some money, they have a great product that needs to get out for whether it's clinical level 3 or going for commercialization. They need to move very rapidly. And if they go to traditional route, they start with having to go through architectural design, and then they have a construction manager who needs to price it up. They might realize they can't afford what they designed, and then they have to go back and redesign. We actually have models that we can work with the process right up front through our Compass program. We can do early programming to see what's the best fit for that client and their budget to get started phase 1, and what are the potential phase 2 and 3. We're doing a look ahead so that we can build a compliant facility and keep in mind the expansion capability of building while they're in business. Clean modular construction enables us to be able to have that fulfillment. In our modeling, we're able to very quickly, within a number of weeks, not months, determine a firm fixed price for our Faciliflex modular cleanroom solution to drop into any building. They may not have found a building yet, but our module will fit then when we build it in place in any building, and we become the cornerstone to their budget, number one, which is critical. We can guarantee a timeline for our scope. We're able to dictate what the infrastructure needs are for making the cleanroom facility work. So when they talk to developers and potential landlords, they're going to the table with real information that's needed and not guessing on a building and maybe getting into the wrong building. Lastly is we have a commissioning program and construction quality plan where we're commissioning from the beginning. So when we deliver a solution, it's designed to meet US FDA, EU guidelines, whatever the requirements are for that facility in a compliant format at startup. So we really reduce risk and mitigate risk for the owner because we put our hand up, take responsibility for temperature, humidity, pressure, cleanliness, and GMP compliance. Please visit us at aesclean.com or connect with us on LinkedIn.